Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and basic connectivity. Charge the AirPods in case above 20% and open the lid. This wakes the pairing system. On your phone or laptop, enable Bluetooth and temporarily disable other nearby headphones so interference is reduced. Once done, confirm the device OS is updated because many Bluetooth fixes are firmware level. Updates can resolve hidden bugs. Make sure location and Bluetooth permissions are allowed for pairing apps. Then proceed to the pairing sequence. You will reset and force a fresh connection to clear stale profiles. First, forget the AirPods in your device Bluetooth settings, and if applicable, remove them from your account or iCloud to break prior associations. Next, hold the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber, then white. This resets the earbuds. Then, from the Bluetooth menu, choose the AirPods to repair. After connection, check left and right independently, and play stereo content to confirm channel balance and latency. You finish with advanced isolation and fallback strategies. If problems persist, update the AirPods firmware using a paired iOS device which can push device firmware fixes. You can also test the AirPods on a different phone or laptop to determine whether the issue is the host. If the host proves problematic, reset its network or Bluetooth settings. This clears corrupt caches. Finally, if nothing works, contact support or use the one-key tip. Reboot both the host device and AirPods together and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.